Hey beautiful people, it is your girl Tiff and I am back like I never left. I am doing a haul for you guys. This is a straightforward BooHoo haul. Yay or nay, like or dislike haul. Okay? I got a couple pieces, some dresses, some sweaters, some skirts, a little bit of everything. I just kind of went click happy, just throwing a whole bunch of stuff in my cart. So I wanted to just show you guys what I got. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, because I'm definitely going to tell you what I like and what I don't like and what I may give away or just send back and get my money back. So I'm going to jump right into the video because y'all already know how your girl feel about intros, so we're going to skip through that. Hey, let's go. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is this really pretty pink sweater. You got to like reach down and get it off the floor. It's a really pretty pink sweater. It has like the V-neck in the back, and then the choker is actually in the front of the sweater. I got this in a US 14. It's actually a little bit too big for me. I'm not really liking just the way it fits and falls on my body. So I probably will not be keeping this sweater, but it is a gorgeous look. I actually flipped it around and wore it with the V in front. I'm sorry. Yeah, with the V in front versus, no, with the V in the back. The drape in the choker part in the back. And I actually liked it a little bit better that way versus the way it's supposed to be worn. I just still don't like the way it looks on me. It looks really, really bulky. So that's enough. The second item, which I really love. I really, really love this when I bought it. It is this oversized red flannel shirt dress. This is so cute. This is the Felicity checkered oversized shirt dress. I also got this in a size 14. For the most part, all the clothes I got from BooHoo was a size 14. And I'm regretting that, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. But this, I'm not going to keep this. I'm not going to keep it. It's really too big. I typically order 12s from BooHoo all the time, hands down. But I put on a couple pounds, and even when I have ordered 12, sometimes they're slightly tight. So I'm like, you know what, girl, just forget it. Go get a 14. But a 14 ain't working with me with BooHoo. So this, I'm not going to keep. This is a no. It's going back. It's really cute, especially how the model had it, because I bought the the really thick black belt just to kind of cinch in and wear it as a dress. I want to wear my knee-high like black suede boots. I have my whole look plan. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. Moving on to the next item. This is the off-the-shoulder wrap midi dress. It is so pretty. It ties at the waist. The sleeves are really cute because they're kind of like loose, a big style, so they're not like too tight on your arms if you have big arms. It does have the cleavage dip, so you can show your girls off if you're trying to. And it's a simple black dress, but I really think it's so cute. It's like really pretty, almost like an elegant tie, just really simple black dress. This is a yay. Yes, honey, I love this dress. I'm definitely keeping this. I love it. This is the off-the-shoulder tie sleeve sweater dress. I got this again in a size 14. This is, you guys know how I feel about gray and black. I actually like this. Although part of me wants to send it back and just get it in a size 12. I actually like this. I'm comfortable with it. I'm just going to wear like some nice leggings underneath. Throw on some Tims or some, you know, some Tims. Throw on some boots with it and rock it. I do love the little extra dramatic with the sleeve. You can tie this up, but it's so simple. It's so cute. It's definitely warm. So as you know, we're fall, about to be winter by tomorrow over here. So I'm gonna keep this. This is gonna go in the Yay Pal. I really like it. Okay, so this one is the Roxy. Is it the Roxy? Yeah, the Roxy midi skirt. So this is the skirt. Really cute. It's like your, you know, faux leather. It's that type of like design. Really, really stretchy, sleeky, like that little wet look. This is a really pretty skirt to me. I definitely like it, but I just don't like the way it fits on me. So this is going to be a nay as well. Like maybe, I don't know why, I just like 14, 14, 14. Like I can just stay in my 12. So This is a cute skirt. I really knew how I wanted to wear that as well. But that's a name. I'm not gonna keep this dress here. I have to read it. This is the Verity Slinky Plunge Split Maxi dress. Baby, when I tell you this dress is so sexy. It's very sexy. It almost just reminds me of like this, like how you're opening the door for your man and you're having that long flowy satin house coat gown, like robe. I love it. It has a split in the front. What I'm trying to say, it has 2 splits on either side. The splits go very, very high. Very high. Like if the wind blow or you walk a certain way, your girl is going to be all the way out. It also has a very, very deep neckline, as you see. I really do like this dress. I really think it's a really pretty dress. But I'm not going to keep it. So I purchased some dresses because I have a couple events to go to in the next couple weeks. I just wanted to just grab a bunch of dresses and see what I was going to like, what I was not going to like. And as pretty as this is and as gorgeous as it is, I know I'm not going to wear it. I know this is going to be one of those items that just sits in my closet. I'm like, I'm going to wear it someday, somewhere, and don't wear it. And we're not doing that no more. If we know that we're not going to wear this immediately, it's about to go back. So although this is a very pretty dress, very gorgeous, it's a nay for me. Alright, so moving on to the second part of my haul. I did have another order that came in from BooHoo. And before I even get started, let me just say, I have never had to wait a very long time to get my items from BooHoo. I typically wait like anywhere between 4 to 6 days. I literally had to wait almost 16 days for my package. 16 days. I got another black dress from BooHoo. And y'all know your girl got to keep her order sheet, right? So this is the off-the-shoulder midi dress. I got this like off-the-shoulder thing going on right now. This is such a pretty dress. This is another just must-have, simple, classic black dress, but with just like a little bit of sexiness to it. The only thing I don't like, as you can see, is the flat part is supposed to be stationary. It's not supposed to be moving. I don't know if it's because of these girls are a little big right here, but mine kept moving up. So I was like, this probably won't be the best dress for me if I'm trying to do any type of movement, reach up, anything, because it's constantly raising up. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. It's so pretty that I want to. I just have to find a fix to stop this from coming up when I'm wearing it. It's just like literally slowly rising up. So I don't know. We'll see. I got this. Told y'all when I find a style I like, I keep it moving. I found this cute gray off the shoulder sweater as well. This to me just screams a cabin in the woods, drinking some hot chocolate and just chilling in the warm fireplace. It's just like that really cute chunky sweater. I really love this. I love this. I was also having the same problem with this like raising, the flat part that's supposed to be the off the shoulder part, raising and rising as I was moving. But I actually like it if I like move it up. I can just wear it as a regular like cowl neck sweater, or I can do the off the shoulder. So either or actually works for me. I think that this is very pretty. It's so warm. It just is warm. So I got another sweater. This is a button up cardigan. This is in this gorgeous blush tone. I love this. It has the 2 front pockets on either side. Yeah, it has the pockets on either side. It has the 4 buttons. This is really cute. I think this is cute. I just love this. It's warm. It's a nice color. I love the style. It's giving me that like 1980s vibe a little bit. And I am an 80s baby. I like this. I like it. So I got another blush tone sweater. This one I really like because it has like the ruffled shoulders. So to me, this was more of a I needed to have it just because of the detail. Like I just love that cute little dainty, you know, ruffled shoulder patch. I love the color. It works for me. I can wear this to work. I can wear this just on the weekends. I think this is really pretty. It's not super thin, so it's definitely something you can wear fall, transitioning into winter. So I'm going to say yay for that as well. So this item here, BooHoo, this is not how I look on the model. But this is just apparently an oversized button-up white shirt. I got this in a 12, y'all. I got this in a 12. I learned my lesson with the 14s. So everything that I got that I just showed you were all 12s. I made sure of that. But yeah, this, I'm indecisive on it. Like, obviously when you just button it up by itself, it's so wide. It looks like a baby doll, like peplum top. It's just so wide. But But when you use the belt that comes with it and just tie it nice and secure, it gives you like that nice little illusion, a little curvage there. So I think this might be a really cute shirt that I can wear to work. I think I'm gonna say yay for this. I'm gonna say yay for this. This is really cute, especially for work, especially when you tie it nice and tight and it has that little flare. So that is gonna be a yay. So I will say that for the last few items that I just showed you, I think I'm just gonna keep all of those items. So I'm gonna say yay to all of that. The earlier items, the nails are going back. They're going back. Like, I know I'm not going to wear them, so I'm going to just go ahead and ship those back, get my money back, and probably give BooHoo some more of mine. It was definitely a staple of mine. I shop there all the time. So if you guys shop there, go ahead, grab some stuff. Use my eBay code below. Like, I'm making money when I shop. I don't know about you. But if you go ahead and use my eBay code when you sign up, you're going to get a $10 gift card to Walmart or something like that. Stop playing. Stop playing. So this sums up my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look for some more videos coming from me. Y'all know I take my hiatuses every now and then I get that like kickstart to get back into it. So like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next video.